Exciting news here at Active. The Active S350 Automotive Dryer has landed. This is our first foray into air-based tools, and I think it's a strong one. We managed to pack the power of a dual motor unit into this single motor machine, which means that it's quieter, lighter, but packs the same punch. This is our first step into air-based tools, and I think it's a strong one. This is a single motor unit, but we've managed to match the performance of the dual motor unit, making it lighter, quieter, but still packing the same punch. So this doesn't have a built-in heater, but the airflow naturally warms around 40 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit above the ambient temperature. And once it's running, the hose extends to 20 feet. For the sound, we've measured it at 75 decibels, which makes it one of the quietest units on the market. Most machines with similar spec run around 80 decibels or more. For reference and comparison, for every increase of 3 to 6 decibels, that actually doubles how loud that machine feels. So we achieved this by pairing the single motor with a dual stage fan and then 2 filters, which keep the sound low, even at very high motor speeds. The included jet nozzle gets you the closest to that 350 miles per hour at only 75 decibels. We've also developed this Venturi nozzle, which gives you a significant increase in performance with a minor trade-off in additional sound. Finally, we've built in versatility for both fixed and mobile setups. Use it on the floor and it'll follow you around as you work, or mount it to the wall with the included plate. And the best part is, installation takes only 5 minutes. And that's the S350. Like I said, this is just our first step into air-based tools. So let us know in the comments what you'd like to see from us in the future in this category. The S350 is out now on our website, link in the description below. And if you join the waitlist, check your email. We've already sent you an early bird discount code. Try it out, let us know what you think. See you in the next one.